All right, before I get into today's video, this is all the mess that was from yesterday. I'm pretty sure this will all come off with water, so I need to find time to pressure wash it. Probably do that later. Whoops. All right, today's gonna be a little different. Today I'm gonna be hand sanding all these small crevices or small parts that I couldn't really get with the machine. While doing so, I'm gonna be answering some questions that was possibly left by you guys. All right, so quick change of plans. I decided to sand up the whole thing to get it done so I can actually move forward with primering the bumper. I found it kind of difficult to answer questions while I was sanding. It didn't really make sense, didn't really work out. So anyways, done with the bumper. Let's move on to primering it now. Press, squeeze, and pull. Am I not doing that? Am I stupid? This child lock thing is kind of, oh shit. Cool. Ugh. All right, I just finished using the self-etching primer. I put around 2 coats on there, 1 medium, 1 heavy coat within, a 15-minute gap within each coating. So I'm gonna let this sit for another 15 minutes before I move on to the filler primer, and then yeah. I realized that when I was first doing this, I didn't shake it, which was my mistake. So I don't know if that's gonna be an issue that I'm gonna be dealing with once I put on more layers, but I'll find out. This is my first time, so this is going to be a learning experience for me. So if I do make a mistake, that is expected. That was a very big rookie mistake for me to not shake the can before spraying it. Yeah, let's just go ahead and wait, put on the filler primer, and then we'll see how it looks from there. Okay, so I also realized that while I'm waiting, I might as well just answer a few questions that you guys left. Starting off, we have a few questions from Christian Wilson, who is someone I knew for quite a long time. He asked, what color are you thinking of wrapping it? And the color that I'm thinking of wrapping it is going to be a shade of green. I'll just leave it at that for now. I also got a question about the blue stand that I have that I'm using to work on my bumper. It's a blue stand from Amazon. I'll link it in the description so you guys can check it out there. Okay, so I think this should be dry enough. I'm gonna start using filler primer, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Can't forget my mask. I forgot my mask the other time while I was driving to pick up another can. I was definitely not sober, to say exact. All right, we just finished doing all the layers of the filler primer. Next, once this dries, we're gonna do the guide coat. I totally forgot the purpose of doing everything. I'm just following an instruction step-by-step provided by Harmon over here. He did all the bodywork on his own S13, which I just recently shot not too long ago. And so yeah, once this dries, I'm gonna put on the guide coat, and then I think that should be a wrap up for today. As a note, you should probably wear gloves while spraying everything or anything that you use. Just so you know, guide coat hurts the most. So, this is going to be our base layer. Afterwards, next week, once Harmon comes over, we will be hand sanding it. And then afterwards, we'll be putting on another layer of primer and then sanding that. Then this front bumper right here should be ready for the wrap, and we can move on to the hood. After the hood, we're gonna move on to the door, or possibly the front fender piece thing that's right below the hood. And then afterwards, we're gonna go towards the rear quarter panel, then the bumper, then the trunk, then the wing, then the wing that I bought, and then the front bumper or front lip that I bought. Yeah, this is gonna be quite a journey, I will say. I am freaking beat. I am super beat, dude. This was a lot of work, but I'm really glad to see that this front bumper is almost done. So with that being said, see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.